Baerlocher today is one of the world's leading additive suppliers. Backed by world-class modern technology and a workforce that ensures the highest standards in terms of efficiency, sustainability, quality and consistency of the final product. This is a direct result of collective experience gained over a span of 2 centuries. It all began in 1823. And as you can see, the rest is etched in our rich history. In a more recent phase of that history, Baerlocher planted its roots in India. As we grew at the very heart of this diverse country, Baerlocher India blossomed into what we see today, and we are prepared to expand even further. As a global leader, we have a responsibility to raise the bar, to impact lives, to grow with society, and here is how we do it. Our standard of excellence isn't just born, it is developed by analyzing, innovating, debating, testing and retesting, with many minds working together, all towards elevating a part of your lives. In order to manufacture a comprehensive range of products that inspire confidence with undisputed quality, we know we need to create with cutting-edge technology and a human finishing touch. Because we believe in a hands-on approach by deploying the skills of our exceptional employees. A diverse team that uses its wealth of experience, ideas, creativity and hard work to turn their vision and dreams into reality. As the leading manufacturer of additives, Baerlocher is always working on better solutions to shape the future of our industry towards sustainability. And that future is already here. With the official launch of our new state-of-the-art production facility, this platinum-rated facility by the Indian Green Building Council (IGBC) is built for the production of sustainable products. It was a long road with many turns that brought us here. Yet, we never stop paving the way for the next chapter in our history. We grow together as one. Change is constant, and when we change the world around us. Though our core values remain same: respect, integrity, excellence. With these core values, we build a legacy together, and together we continue to build a sustainable future.
This is what makes us the perfect match.